Because of recording. Okay. So, guys, I'm going to be exposing this girl named Rainbow Power 5. So, because she says I have lying problems. Which maybe I do. But, so she's like, you have lying problems. And she said, I have problems because I did a diamond rhyme and I was lying to her. Because I didn't want to give her a grade. And so this is how it started. My friend told me that um, she has a boyfriend. Yeah. Okay. My friend told me that she didn't spell that right. You gave her a greet and that you're always nice to her. Can I have a greet, please? You stole my diamond. Are you sure? I'm sure. Sub to me. Rem plays MSP. Please don't lie. If you do, give me one. But you just did a diamond status. It's only a one diamond, like see. And you just said you did and it just said you did a diamond, right? And it said, no, I didn't. Yes, you did. Stop lying. It said, please stop lying. Your laptop has problems. Nope. Yup. You have lying problems. Your mother has Ebola. Your mother has Ebola. Your mother has Ebola. I know your mom. Ebola. So, you can get your mother's Ebola. And her mother's Ebola. And you have it now. Your mother has spread it to you. You poor thing. My fault that your mother did it. No, it's not. It's not that. No. At least mine. At least. At least my mom didn't have to. At least my mom didn't have to form babies. What? Oh my god, now she's saying that I scammed her and took most of her stuff. Like you. This girl saying I scammed her. I didn't scam her though. You're lovely. Sam. Oh my god! Don't move out the way. You call me scammer. You call me scammer. You call me scammer, but I still save the day. You call me scammer, but I still save the day. It's okay, but you know I didn't scam you, but I didn't scam you, but you still have your friend's face. Your friend's face. I didn't scam you, but you still didn't scam you, but you still lied to your friend's face. They in a race, but I still take first place. Didn't scam you, but you still lied to your friend's face. I don't fucking think so. I don't speak Spanish, but I know this was. Okay, guys, like, I'm still gonna expose her, like, why wouldn't I? So I'm gonna end this video.